First of all, Shah Commission, whether it has a scope of finding illegalities in Goa, I am not aware. सगळे इन्वॉल्ड आहात. बिंगी बिंगी मरे is part of the full racket. They are all part of it. Only the current structure I won't comment because that is for PSC to comment. But old structure I know without going into the PSC record. I have made allegations. I repeat them. They were part of this. They were part of all these illegalities along with politicians. म्हाका एक गजाल सांग कोणें राव 1 minute I'll explain that also. If someone is stealing does not give right to MPT to allow stolen ore to be or illegal ore to be exported. If there is something going wrong in Goa port, captain of port, they can write the letter, there is no problem, but that doesn't absolve MPT from the export of illegal mine. In fact, I will tell you, when government issued instruction in the month of September 2010 to insist on certificate from mining department for payment of royalty, it is Goa port which followed it immediately. MPT took 5 months. I had to issue final warning to MPT to appear before the PAC. They were telling me, no, we have asked from permission from Ministry of Shipping. I said, nothing doing. If you don't come, I will have to issue summons, legal police summons to you. Lok Ayukta has to come fast because this mine issue is best for it to handle first. Then we can see how Vishwajit Rane defends himself. नाही ताज्या रिपोर्टान ताणें कितें म्हणलां पळय त्या हातून ताणें गोंयच्या पोर्टांच्यान तें एक्सपोर्ट जाला म्हणलां. तें गोंयच्या मायनीचो ताजो डायरेक्ट संबंद आसा. मिनेर एका तरी सेम आसत. सम ऑफ द मायन ओनर्स थोडे ब्रँडिंग केला हाचो रेकॉर्ड आसा गोंयांत. पर्टिक्युलरली 2002, 2003, 2003, 2004 ह्या 2 वर्सां सर्टन क्वॉन्टिटीज आर शोन एज ब्लेंडेड. सो इनफॅक्ट ब्लेंडिंग करीत जर जाल्यार गोंय नुकसानीक पडटा गोंयाक, कारण यू डोंट गेट रॉयल्टी ऑन दॅट ब्लेंडेड क्वांटम. पण बेजिकली हांव एक गोश्ट सांगता की कर्नाटकान जो लोक आयुक्तान इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन केलां पळय तें ही हॅज अ पावर टू क्रिमिनली इन्व्हेस्टिगेट. PAC is not a criminal investigating body. So it goes by the records available with the government. आणि कर्नाटका लोकायुक्तान हांवें सगळो रिपोर्ट वाचला. आय डोंट नो हाव मेनी ऑफ यू हॅव रेड इट. इट्स अ 467 thick report. I read it through and through, top to bottom, and I can tell you one thing. Most of their detection जे पळय आतां काही जाण शाणपणां सांगता पळय व्हडले प्रूव करचें हें करचें, तांचें डिटेक्शन जें आसा पळय तें इन्कम टॅक्स रेडी ज्यो आसा पळय आनी बँकेची स्टेटमेंटां जीं आसा पळय तातूंतल्यान पयशे कशे ट्रान्सफर जाले पळय ताजे वयल्यान धरल्या तांच्यांनी. Whereas what we are catching is with much less resources. We are catching the thief with less resources. They have, using their police power, they have taken information from income tax raids. So income tax raid जी विश्वजीत राणेचेर पडल्या पळय, मागीर ती कोण ती बाबूश मनसराचेर पडल्या आनीक कोणाचेर पडल्या पळय, त्यो सगळो ताजो रेकॉर्ड घेतलो आनी तो इन्व्हेस्टिगेट केलो जाल्यार बऱ्योचश्यो गजाली भायर येतल्यो आपोआप. हांवें सांगपाची चडशी गरज ना. सो इट वील बी pinpointed on a particular person when money trail is traced. लक्षांत धरा, कोणूय इल्लिगल मायनिंग जो करता पळय आनी पयशे खाता पळय शेवटी तो पयशांक करता. आनी खंय तरी हे पयशे, म्हाका हांव एक प्रश्न विचारता, हांवें गेल्या 3 वर्सांचे 70 मोर्चाच्यो एडवर्टायजी कलेक्ट केल्या. ताजोच व्हॅल्यू कितें तरी 50, 60, 70 लाख जाता. पयशे खंयच्यान येता? आमकां एडवर्टायजी येता दिवाळीक दसऱ्याक तुमी मागतात पळय एडवर्टायजी, ताजे पयशे येता म्हणसर कानांच्यान नाकांच्यान धुंवर येता म्हज्या. हांव स्पश्ट सांगता, पगार सोंपून फुडल्या म्हयन्याचो पगार केन्ना येता आनी तो दिता, नाल्यार मागीर झक मारीत कंपनीच्यान पयशे काडचे पडटा पर्सनल. न्हय आय एम मेकिंग इट व्हेरी क्लियर. इफ आय हॅव टू struggle to गिव स्मॉल ग्रिटिंग्स एडवर्टायजमेंट कितले आसता 6,000 आसता, कोणाची 10,000 आसता, कोणाची 5,000 आसता. त्यो आमी सदांच कितें करता, केन्ना पगार येता ताची वाट पळयत आसता. ते आयले की बेगीन बेगीन ती बिलां फारीक केली. हांगा कलर्ड एडवर्टायजी, ह्यो एडवर्टायजी, हाफ पेजी एडवर्टायजी कितल्यो रे. म्हजी येदी व्हडली फायल भरल्या, खंयच्यान येले पयशे? भेटत पयशे कितें झाडाक फुट्टात काय कितें? हांवें ऑलरेडी दिल्या लोक आयुक्ताची. गव्हर्मेंट इज इंटेंडिंग टू डू समथींग अबाउट इट. टुडेज डिस्कशन म्हजे कडेन चीफ मिनिस्टर ही कॉल्ड मी फॉर 2 minutes and I had suggested to him long back that use the same bill, introduce it, minus those 2-3 things. It will be much faster. If you are serious about the job, amend it section 18 by just saying one line, subject to provision of Right to Information Act. That will take care of the first objection, and giving power like contempt of court power for article clause 19, I think. You can eliminate that clause. We will see about it afterwards. If these 2 corrections are made, the bill is acceptable to the central government and we can agree to it immediately. Maybe we can suspend all rules. I am ready to suspend all rules if a genuine old bill which had gone through the committee and which even Hegde said is reasonably good, we can start with it, keeping in view that assembly is meeting only for 2 days. He can introduce it with these modifications, amendments on first day. We will allow government to discuss it and pass it on the second day. We are ready for it. So for that he had called me. I don't know what is his decision. I had suggested this aspect to him long back. So he said, can this be done? ती केल्या डिमांड नाही रे, पण डिमांड केलो म्हणून विषय खंय जाता तर. डिमांड पयल्या दिसा पासून केला न्ही. डिमांड करप आनी प्रत्यक्षान घडप डिमांड हातून फरक आसा. सांग कितें? हय, BSc meeting. I can't discuss BSc here. BSc I can only discuss this much, that business was discussed. No, I can't discuss what happened in BSc. Even this Lok Ayukta I discussed with you because Chief Minister called me at 1:30 after the BSc meeting and asked me whether what I had suggested earlier, if he follows that, will that be okay for you? So from my party side I told him, yes, we are okay. You think and you get it done from your party side. So that's why I discussed about Lok Ayukta based on that information. See, we get information as a different role. We get information as MLAs, we get information as leader of opposition, we get information as committee members. So I use the information which I have as a member of legislature assembly, as an opposition leader, to tell you. I can't tell you what happened in BSc. येवनी मरे पयली रिपोर्ट. हांव इतलेंच सांगता की गोंयच्यो सगळ्यो भानगडी इन्वेस्टिगेट करूंक जाय एंड ऑल आस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ कर्नाटका लोक आयुक्त report has to be implemented in Goa. If B.S. Yedurappa had to go, there has to be similar type of action here for those who are responsible for it. Whether it is Digambar Kamath, whether it is Vishwajit Rane, whether it is Joki Malemao, whether it is Subhash Shirodkar, I can't say anything other than or anyone else.
illegal mining
हांव सांगिना तुका अशें दिसता. हांव तुका परतो प्रश्न विचारला. डू यू थिंक दॅट राव डू यू थिंक दॅट इन सत्तरी इफ देर इज समथींग इल्लिगल गोईंग ऑन देन इट कॅन बी डन अदर देन सम अदर वे वॉट यू डिस्क्रायब? उलटो प्रश्न विचारता. म्हणजे ताजी पेट्रोनेज नासली जाल्यार सत्तरीन जाय तश्यो रॅम्पंट इल्लिगलिटी चलूंक शकता. अरे हांगा एक कोणाक नोकरी दीत सत्तरींतल्या भुरग्याक जाल्यार ताणें एका मिनिस्टराचें लायफ मिजरेबल केलें थंय डिपार्टमेंटान. एक नोकरी. तूं कितें उलयता? थंय कोणाक 4 पयशे आयले जाल्यार ताची लायफा मिजरेबल करून दवरतात ते. इफ यू रियली यू आर फ्रॉम सत्तरी? ना, यू आर फ्रॉम मये. ओबळ्या सत्तऱ्या तोबळ्या ताका विचार मरे. लायफ वील बी मेड मिजरेबल इफ so when you know this, you don't have to ask me. That's why I said let a Lokayukta come and let him investigate the income tax raids, let him investigate the other excise department enforcement directorate information. You will get everything.